Hey everyone, welcome to another room tour here on the World of Coasters. Today we're at the island like no other, which means we're staying in the Thorpe Shark Hotel. We've got a standard room, which there are just standard rooms, 175, some really small accommodation here. Let's go in and have a look. So normal fob on the door. Hey. Louise is in here. Normally you try and stay out of shot, don't you? But these are so small, these rooms, but they're really cute and like.
If you have claustrophobia though, and you're in a bigger family, I don't know.
Well, yeah, with 4 people it would be quite a squeeze. Anyway, it's a pretty simple room. So let's start with the bed. You have a small double bed, just like a normal double. The person on this side, if they need a wee in the middle of the night, they are going to be traipsing over the other person. There is a small 30-inch TV here, I'll probably say.
You wouldn't want anything bigger though.
I just want to put it out there that I've just turned the air conditioner on. It was quite warm when we came in here. It's working really well, quick. Isn't it? Like really quick. That's just controlled from down here, so it's accessible from the bed. There is bedside lighting by the looks of it, little reading lamps that go on like that, and you switch for the main light. There's some nice ambient lighting actually. That's pretty cool. So the bed is like your standard like Premier Inn bed. It's pretty comfy. You get 2 pillows, of course. If you are with a larger party, you can have 2 more adults here. They are full-size beds, these bunk beds. If like us, you've got 2 of us, they fold this one up and then you can use it as storage. I've only got such a big bag because we've been travelling all week. We've been going all over the country.
Yeah, look at my tire.
If you want to store your bags though, they do have storage under the beds, like so. And there's plenty of that. Around here you kind of got your facilities. There's a spare toilet roll here that looks really like sandpapery. And then you've got some storage drawers. There are sockets here, your kettle's included. When you check in they give you a little bag now. That includes your coffee cups, your teas, your milks, that sort of thing. I might ask for some more milks as we've only got 2 in there. Let's have a look what's in here. You've got your body lotions, your soap and all that sort of thing. With your breakfast they give you a token. We got the grab and go Costa breakfast. However, sadly we're not going to be able to redeem this as tomorrow we're up super early to go to the Lego Mythica launch event. We have to be there by 7:30. So starting your breakfast at 8 o'clock is no good to us, so that's a shame. Sockets wise, you have 2 double sockets here. It says kettle only here, but as you can see, like we're gonna need another socket, so there's 2 doubles. I'm not being funny. If you had 4 adults in here and you needed to charge your phones, it's going to be a bit of a squeeze. Thankfully I've got my GoPro charger, which will literally do 2 USB devices at once. Anyway, moving through to the bathroom is kind of like a wet room kind of thing because it's so small in here. So this is your shower curtain essentially. You walk in, you've got your toilet down here. It's not square, so thumbs up from me. Towels are included, of course. You've got a big panoramic mirror along here. It's so small in here though. I'm literally like, this is me holding the camera up against my face. Your sink's in here and your shower is just a wet room, so pretty good. You know, you can just jump off the toilet and straight onto the shower if that's your thing. Some people were saying like about locks in this in previous reviews I've seen. There is a lock actually on this door, just like so, and that does lock it. There's nowhere to store any of your like shampoos and shower gels other than the floor. They could have put a shelf here, but they haven't. So all in all, that's about it, to be honest. It's a very small hotel room. Like, this is the smallest hotel room we've stayed in, but it's cosy.
This is so comfy in here.
For those who don't like the idea of not having a window, if you really want, you can take this off. And then you've got a little porthole to view out of. We've got a lovely view of the swarm there. And of course this is your don't disturb sign, so you have your dreaming and your screaming. Right guys, so that is my review on a Thorpe Shark cabin. If you have any questions or think we missed anything, let us know and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, leave a like, and we'll see you in the next video. Ciao!